Welcome back. This is question number 20. Here we have, if u is given as this and v is given as that, find the direction of u plus v. We have these options given to us. Now to do this, here we have u plus v. Now here, looking at this, the coefficient here we have 3 plus 2 I plus 4 minus 3j. So this is going to be 5i plus 1j. And we're interested in the direction of u plus v. And the rule is to get the direction, which is theta, is going to be tan inverse of b over a. So this is going to be my a, this is going to be my b. So that is tan inverse of 1 over 5. And here, using my calculator, we should have the tan inverse of 1 over 5 should be equivalent to 11.3 degree, or approximately we should have 11 degree. Now, looking at this and the options given to us here, you can see that none of the options is the same thing as 11 degree. Then what do? One thing I would like you to know is that these are given in 3 digits. So now, recall in our bearing class, you can check my channel, you can see my videos on bearing for the 3 digits and the 2 digits. This bearing is taken from the north. Okay, we have the north, we have the east, south, and the west. So here we have 11 degree. That is, from here, we have 11 degree. Okay? So taking it in this way, because you're going like this, if you are going anti-clockwise or anti-clockwise, here, everything is 90 degree. So that shows that from here down to here is going to be what? 79. So this is equivalent to saying we have 79 degree on a 3 scale. So they are still equivalent. So this is question number 20. And I would like you to follow me to say question number 21. See you next time. Bye.